What's up, Kisho holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Congratulations to all Kisho holders. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Kisho, my friends. Believe me, I can't believe that this time the Kisho start positive. But my friends, this is the emergency news for all Kisho holders. Never miss this update, my friends. First of all, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the price of the Kisho in the market as zero USD dollar is the current price of the Kisho in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes over in the Kisho, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, but the previous changes is very good positive. Very good changes occur in the previous time, but now in the last hour the pricing is going down. So I don't know that why this time the price fast down, but I think that due to the short-term investor, the prices in the last hour is fast down. And my friends, that is the short fall, that is the temporary falls, my friends. My prediction tells us that that is the temporary falls, and they will again take a pump in the few hours, maybe in the 1 hour, but that is the temporary falls, my friends. Remember that. You can see here, my friends, the price chart tells us that in a previous time the Kishu start pumping. In a previous time the Kishu also start moving upward, and I'm very happy when I see the positive changes occur in the Kishu. Only the last 1 hour pricing is negative, my friends. So how do you feel today about the Kishu? Please tell me in the comment box. And personally, my friends, I'm feeling very good. From the previous last 1 week, I'm feeling good about the Kishu because I saw the positive temps of the Kishu. You can see that is the last 3 days price chart of the Kishu, and the last 3 days price changes is positive 74.2% positive change occur in the Kishu. That is why I recommend for everyone to invest more and more Kishu, and you can see that the price of the Kishu is very low. So investment is very easy in a Kishu. Invest more and more and get a profit from the Kishu. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. And what is your opinion? What's your prediction about Kishu? Please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching this video.